Welcome back to Learn Brizy Cloud Starter Kit here with me, JP, and this already I think is video number 23 here in 2022, learning more about Brizy Cloud. The Starter Kit is really to give you a very good overview and understanding of what's going on in Brizy Cloud. It doesn't mean you're going to know 100% everything, and that's why we have other tutorials here on the site as well, like shorts with tips. We also have video documents and landing page. Let's build all of that, which you can follow along. The starter kit will help you though to get a really good idea of what you can and cannot do and what the power of Brizy Cloud is. We worked previously with the reorder blocks when we had created a header. I'd shown you how you can bring in a header and then drag it all the way to the top with the reorder blocks function. Let's have a quick look at that again. On your page, you are working with blocks, and you can have a visual representation of that in a thumbnail view by going to the sidebar on the left, and just above our styling, you click here on reorder blocks. And that will give you all the blocks currently on your page with a thumbnail generated for each one of that. If you feel that a certain block you've created should be somewhere else on the page, click hold on that block and then drag it to wherever you want it to go, and it will drop there. This is a very, very simple process. Simply drag and drop it. The other option you have here is to delete blocks that you do not wish to use. This is much easier if you have a number of blocks to delete. You can also go to the block itself, click on the settings, and then select the trash can here to delete it. But like I said, if you have a number, it's much easier in the reorder blocks. These three that I have created at the bottom, simply click on the delete X next to it and you remove it that easily from the page.